School is a platform where you can actually create communities and make money. You can see through these communities, some are free, some are at $25 per month, and you can set your rate. This is $9, this is $79, and basically this is the amount each of these members are paying the creator of this community in order to benefit from it. So in order to make money here on School, you first need to create value. So once you've identified the value you have to sell, you can go ahead and log in, create your account, and create your own community, monetize it, and provide valuable information for your community and keep your paying patrons happy. Creating a community here on School is pretty simple. All you need to do is to click on Create Your Own. And this is going to be part of the sign-up process for you to start with. If you click on Create Your Community, you'll need to put in your first name, your last name, and your email and password, and then sign up. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on Log in order to continue with the process of creating your School community. So once you have your community, you'll be provided with a community link where you can share it on your social media platforms, create ads with it, and this will funnel your prospective clients into your community, and that's where the buck starts. So of course, once you create your account and your community, you'll be able to go through these different tabs, such as Classroom, where you can create courses for your community. And this first tab is for your community to have a general discussion. Of course, you can see the general discussion tab here, and you can go ahead and create more tabs for different types of conversations to keep your community alive. So go through these settings, create value, and attract prospective users who will be willing to pay for the information or value you have to provide.